Docker SDK for Python. How to build an image with custom Dockerfile and custom context. I'm trying to replicate this command with the Docker SDK for Python. Path/to/Dockerfile and path/to/context are different paths, ea/opt/project/Dockerfile. The directory structure is the following. The command is working correctly from the client, but I'm not able to make it work with the SDK. From the documentation, the images build method has the following parameters. Path, str, path to the directory containing the Dockerfile. I'm guessing this is the context. Custom_context, bool, optional if using filioch, a file object to use as the Dockerfile, or a file-like object. When I use the method like this, I get this error. The content of the Dockerfile is the following. But I'm guessing the error is not due to that, for the command correctly works with the client. It's only breaking with the SDK. Am I doing something wrong? Thanks. Edit. Simply removing custom_context equals true does not solve the problem, for the context and build paths are different. In fact, it causes another error, relative to the fact that the file does not exist in the current path.
I removed custom_context equals true, and the problem went away. Edit. Using your project tree. Even if the documentation refers to the path within the build context to the Dockerfile, it works for a Dockerfile outside the build context if an absolute path is specified. Using my project tree.
If you want to see more, please consider